Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of May 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.66. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations with a gain of 3.54%. This results in an average return of 0.51% each day since its designation as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 16% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from nearly 43% to about 6%. In examining the longer-term outlook, our analysis over a 12-month period forecasts an approximate decline of 11%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from nearly 34% to about 45% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price between $2.71 and $5.95. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock price up 2.76% on Friday. The NIO stock price gained 2.76% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 16th of May, 2025. It rose from $3.99 to $4.10. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.23%, with a low of $4.03 and a high of $4.12. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this time, resulting in a 1.74% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 25 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $103.24 million. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 46.82% or $3.61 below the 52-week high, and 93.88% or $62.89 below the all-time high reached on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO has been gaining significant attention recently as it remains on the radar of investors. With its stock trading at a discount, many are assessing whether now is a good time to invest. Although NIO faces challenging market conditions, analysts remain optimistic about its future due to ambitious electric vehicle plans and expectations of break-even operations. As of mid-May 2025, NIO is positioned within a resilient sector, with analysts expecting it to maintain stability alongside competitors amid economic uncertainty. A recent assessment suggests the company presents a compelling value, especially leading into the first quarter earnings call, given its diversified electric vehicle offerings and innovative battery swap strategy. However, NIO is navigating complex dynamics, including tariff-driven market volatility, which has posed challenges to its stock performance. Investors should also be aware of increasing competition in the Chinese market as pricing pressures persist. Yet, the company's historical discount valuations indicate potential for a price rebound. Thus, in the short term, uncertainty remains. But if NIO can leverage its strengths and overcome these current pressures, there's a promising outlook that could positively impact its stock price in the long run. The forthcoming financial results and strategic advancements will be crucial in determining investor sentiment and market positioning. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of April 2025, and so far, it has decreased by approximately 5%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, the NIO stock still holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which offers a positive outlook for the stock. There is also a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, some support will be provided by the levels at $4.07 and $3.82. A breakdown below either of these levels will generate sell signals. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal, was noted 15 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal, was observed 48 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, a sell signal, was noted 3 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, a buy signal, was identified 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, a buy signal, was observed 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal, was noted 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 32 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 9 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.23%. For the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.03%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This key indicator measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losing money. Even well-established companies go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios can signal a lack of profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 22 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.22. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making an investment. For those who already possess the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.98. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.93, reflecting a decrease of 4.24%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal derived from a pivot top identified 14 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Instead, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, allowing for accumulation in this position while we await further developments. Following an analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of May, we anticipate that NIO will open lower by approximately 1 cent and begin trading at $4.08. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.